Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Notion network error when saving or editing pages. First, fix seeing a network error in Notion while editing on iPhone. Let's fix it fast. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle on and off the airplane button. Next, we're going to refresh the page. Pull down on the page to reload the content. This often resolves the temporary network issues. After that, we're going to update your app from the App Store. Search for Notion in the App Store and see if there is an update button. If there is, update your app to the latest versions. After that, we're going to log out and log back in. Log out and then log in with the same ID that you had used before, and that's it. Privacy tip: only save pages on the official Notion app or Notion to prevent data loss. Privacy tip: only save pages on official Notion app or Notion to prevent data loss. Quick fix: open Notion in Safari to continue editing while the app reconnects. Restart your iPhone if error persists, and that's it. Subscribe for more fast Notion fixes.